It's holiday shopping time here at Clinique, and today you can take advantage of our best and brightest purchase with purchase that has 9 full-size Clinique favorite products along with a cute candy striped tote bag. Let's take a closer look to see what's on the inside of this amazing gift set value. Our best and brightest purchase with purchase starts with this super cute candy striped tote bag. Inside, you're going to find all kinds of amazing products. The first product I'll tell you about in our gift bag is Take the Day Off Makeup Remover for lids, lashes, and lips. This biphase makeup remover is a whiz at removing long-wearing makeup. Just watch it how it dissolves my red lipstick so that I can apply one of the other full-size products in our gift. All you have to do is shake it up, apply it to a cotton pad or cotton ball, allow it to dissolve the makeup, and swipe it away. It is the easiest makeup solvent to use. The next product I want to show you from this amazing gift set is 7-Day Scrub Cream Rinse Off Formula. This granular scrub helps to remove dead skin cells and also is great at treating the lip skin and preparing it for lipstick. Clinique's 7-Day Scrub Cream Rinse Off Formula is here just in the nick of time. As the weather cools down, adding a creamy exfoliator makes all the difference in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. It works on all skin types and even on the lips too to help fight flakiness. The next product is our Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. Now, you may have seen this as a viral TikTok announcing that, yes, the shade looks a little dark in the tube, but it actually works well on all skin types. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's another full size in our best and brightest set. It's a smooth feeling tint of color. It may be dark, but it works well and enhances anyone's skin. Moisture Surge Lip Hydro Plump Treatment is the perfect way to achieve a soft shine on your lips in this set or to wear alone to prevent dry, chapped lips this winter. You're getting a full-sized bestseller in our high-impact mascara in black. It has a built-in primer that coats every lash, plumping them up to give you great, fanned-out, longer-looking lashes. How about treating your eyes with our best-selling eye treatment, All About Eyes? It depuffs, moisturizes, and minimizes dark circles. Plus, it's a great base for any eyeshadow that you wear. I love how it instantly brightens around the eyes. The next product is our All About Clean Foaming Facial Soap. This product helps to cleanse the skin of dirt and grime and pollution. Your holidays would not be complete without Clinique's best-selling fragrance, Clinique Happy. It's a hint of citrus and a wealth of flowers. Clinique's most popular moisturizer is included in our best and brightest set. It's also in a great size, too. Moisture Surge 100-Hour Auto-Replenishing Hydrator is 2.5 ounces of our supercharged gel cream hydrator that goes 10 layers deep and delivers 100 hours of hydration for plump, glowing skin even after washing your face. How does it work? It's got new aloe vera bioferment that helps the skin to retain moisture. Hyaluronic acid plumps and hydrates, and it has a moisture-locking technology plus an auto-replenishing technology to provide ongoing hydration. Remember to stop by the Clinique counter today or call and place your order for the best and brightest purchase with purchase. Clinique's best and brightest is only $49.50 with any $35 Clinique purchase. These 9 full-size products are valued at $288.50. It's the perfect gift for anyone on your holiday list.